Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you if you're guys trying to find your steering angle sensor on Dodge Dart, where it's located and how to replace it. We are going to explain that today, guys. We have the whole replacement video on the channel. Check it out. Why? Because it's actually integrated into a different component, and that's what we'll be explaining today. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need to buy a new steering angle sensor, new cork spring, new car parts, tools, anything like that, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get one for your vehicle for a really good price and fast shipping as well. Now, let me show you guys, okay, what we have here. So, this, guys, is a 2015 Dodge Dart that we have the steering angle sensor out of. Most of you will notice, okay, that this here actually, guys, is a cork spring, but on that Dodge Dart, guys, the steering angle sensor is integrated into the cork spring of that vehicle. Okay, it's not just, guys, okay, it's not just the cork spring. This is your steering angle sensor as well. You can see how we have the two connectors on the bottom. One of those is for the steering angle sensor, guys. That detects, okay, how detects the way you turn the steering wheel. It detects how many degrees it is and all that stuff. All that is integrated here. So you will need to remove the steering wheel, you will need to remove the cork spring, and you will, guys, get up to that point right here. You can see, and that's where, okay, that's where things get a little bit ugly. You have to do quite a bit of disassembly to get to here. We removed a few more parts, and there is no steering angle sensor or anything like that on the steering shaft, guys. Okay, we are down there too. You can see there is nothing. So the steering angle sensor is actually integrated in the cork spring. If you need to, guys, remove and replace your cork spring, you have to follow a certain procedure because it's part of the airbag system and those things can kill you, guys. So yeah, check it out, guys. We have the video that explains that from start to finish, how to do it, how to remove it, how to replace it. It's important, okay, not to turn them because you can damage them. That's very important, guys, and they have a safety thing here that prevents them from turning them more than probably 5-10 degrees, but if you press accidentally that red thing inside, you can actually turn them way more than that. So be careful, guys, not to turn them, not to damage your new cork spring when putting it together. Check out the video on the channel. Also, if you have any questions about Dodge Dart, if you want to see any specific video, do not hesitate to leave a comment below in the description box, and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem, guys. It may take a little bit of time, but we'll try our best to make that happen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.